In this video, we'll show you how to change the battery on your Ford F-150. You can find it on CarParts.com via the link in the description. The battery is located to the right of the engine compartment. Never start by disconnecting the positive terminal, since the whole truck is connected to the negative terminal. This can create sparks that are dangerous to your truck's electrical system. Using a ratchet and a 10mm socket, start by removing the negative terminal from the battery. Once the terminal has been removed, ensure you distance the cable to avoid untimely reconnections, which could damage the electrical network of the vehicle. Repeat the operation on the positive terminal. To remove the battery, you have to unscrew the battery clamp. Using a ratchet, an extender, and an 8mm socket, fully unscrew the holding bolt of the battery clamp. You can now remove the battery clamp. For great content, our best price, and fast shipping, download the CarParts.com app now. Remove the textile cover. You can now remove the battery. Sand the inside of the terminals with sandpaper to remove the layer of white oxidation and to avoid breakdowns in the long term. You can order the battery used in the video on CarParts.com via the link in the description. Take the new battery. Coat the terminals with copper grease to improve the contact between the terminals and connections, but also to limit oxidation development. Put the new battery in place and push it firmly into its frame. Put the battery clamp back in place. Then finish off the tightening with a ratchet. Put the textile cover back on. Start by putting the positive terminal back in place. Fix it in place with a 10mm socket. Then put the negative terminal back on. Insert it fully before fixing it in place. Operation complete.